अगर आप इस शो में कंटेस्टेंट होते तो आपको लगता है आप कितना ज़्यादा सर्वाइव कर पाते?
मैं ऑटो से उतरते वापस ऑटो में बैठ के निकल जाता, मैं घर में भी नहीं घुसता. आई नो रितेश इज वेरी गुड, आई नो फारा इज वेरी गुड, कंगना ऑल्सो आई थिंक शी डिड लॉक अप
only, yeah.
सो आई हैव सीन ग्लिम्पसेस ऑफ जो कभी कभी ऐसे कट्स आते हैं ना, सो बिकॉज आई नेवर गॉट इनटू द शो.
Popular opinion that people want to know, will you bring back Madgaon Express too?
Yes. Right now, out of the people that I know, रवि जी for sure, रवि किशन, because मेरे को याद है 20 साल पहले उनको मैंने रियलिटी शो में देखा था, and I generally like his energy.
3 things that make Kunal an exciting host, according to you.
Oh God, I don't know. 3 words.
Soha, Sara, Kareena, Saif, Ibrahim, an alliance that would be great if they were in the show.
I doubt if any of them would go into the show.
If you were in a lockup with, say, any alliance of yours, who would you pick and why? Soha's reaction on getting to know that Kunal's going to be hosting a reality show.
Actually, who is it? We're like,
Salman Khan, Kangana Ranaut, Karan Johar, Farah Khan, Ritesh Deshmukh. Who, according to you, is a better host? You don't have to take your name.
no, I honestly, I've not seen all of them hosting, but they've all been good because I know they've all had successful runs at
Yeah.
this. I've seen Bhai a lot more because he's been doing, I think, 15, 16 seasons.
Yeah. हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूँ हेशा चीमा और आज फिल्मी बीट पर मेरे साथ है कुणाल खेमू. ही इज ऑल सेट टू ब्रिंग हिज न्यू अपकमिंग शो अलायंस ओनली ऑन प्राइम वीडियो एंड आई एम super excited and happy to see him as a host. Kunal, you're looking so good. Hi.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You know, we're twinning. We're in black right
Yes.
now. We're an alliance. Yeah. You know, मुझे तो बहुत बात करनी है आपसे, like a lot of things, but I have that timer over there जो मुझे बता रहा है कि
Welcome to reality.
Welcome to reality. मुझे फटफट करना है, तो I thought कि I'll have my quick 10 questions ready with me and हम इसको एकदम ही fun, witty, rapid fire बोल लो
Done.
या जो भी बोल लो उस फॉर्मेट में करते हैं, ठीक है? So let's go for this. Okay, कुणाल, अगर आप इस शो में कंटेस्टेंट होते तो आपको लगता है आप कितना ज़्यादा सर्वाइव कर पाते?
मैं ऑटो से उतरते वापस ऑटो में बैठ के निकल जाता, मैं घर में भी नहीं घुसता. क्योंकि मेरे से आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट फॉर पीपल हु डू दिस, बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक आई एम कट आउट ऑफ दैट मटेरियल हु कैन सर्वाइव अ रियलिटी शो फॉर मल्टीपल रीजंस.
ओके, ठीक है. अच्छा, अगर एक कंटेस्टेंट जिनको शो में आप बहुत एक्साइटेड हो देखने के लिए, तो वो कौन होगा?
क्योंकि इसमें और भी आने वाले हैं एंड आई डोंट नो हु दे आर. राइट नाउ आउट ऑफ द पीपल दैट आई नो, रवि जी फॉर श्योर, रवि किशन, बिकॉज मेरे को याद है 20 साल पहले उनको मैंने रियलिटी शो में देखा था, एंड आई जनरली लाइक हिज एनर्जी. आई फाइंड हिम रियली इंट्रीगिंग, इंटरेस्टिंग एंड जस्ट अ पॉजिटिव पर्सन. उनको देखने के लिए, इफ आई टू पिक वन, देन देयर इज अनदर बॉय कॉल्ड अरमान खेरा, who I have no idea who he was till I met him, and I just like his energy. He's this rapper from Canada who's here. I don't know a lot about him, but just if we haven't even spoken to him much, but just watching him, he's got a different energy. So I'm kind of looking at what he's doing.
Okay, all right. If you were in a lockup with, say, any alliance of yours, who would you pick and why?
In what lockup?
In like a lockup, in like a jail, in a confined situation.
Because that show I have not watched, so I don't know what the format is.
No, so like a lockup, assume that you're in a confined space.
I hope I'm never in a lockup. Because I don't like jails, I don't like confined spaces, and the fact that it's not in my control to get out of a confined space, I don't want to be in.
You don't want to be there only. Okay, so his reaction on getting to know that Kunal's going to be hosting a reality show?
Actually, who is it? We're like, I think like me, she's like, I really want to see what you do in this. Because I said, so do I. I have no idea what's coming.
Okay, all right, you're quick, ठीक है. एलिस से ज़्यादा लाइज हैं यहाँ पे, मैंने ये प्रोमो में सुना. एलिस से ज़्यादा लाइज हैं यहाँ पे, ठीक है. Is Bollywood also like that? True or false?
Could be. You know, see, the industry in itself is a big place. We all made out of the experiences that we share. So some people have certain experiences, but I don't want to generalize it. It is true, but it is not the only way to go about it.
Okay. 3 things that make Kunal an exciting host, according to you.
Oh God, I don't know. 3 words.
Okay, ठीक है. Probably जब हम बाद में मिलेंगे, we can ask you.
Exactly.
आपको जनता के भी सारे views मिल जाएंगे. ठीक है. Nice. I don't know. But safely निकल गए इससे आप. चलो ठीक है. Okay. Quick question. Okay. Soha, Sara, Kareena, Saif, Ibrahim. An alliance that would be great if they were in the show.
I doubt if any of them would go into the show, but see, I don't know because अभी ये शो में क्या हो रहा है किसी को नहीं पता.
पता ही नहीं है.
मुझे भी नहीं पता. मैं तो ये भी कहूँगा कि the one experience that I had was in a lot of things I thought will happen. They happened in 15 minutes. And I was like, how did this happen? So it's amazing. It's such a personality-driven narrative. I think all of them are. But even in this show, because there's such quick changes happening, and you think that people will also take some time to adapt and all that, but boom, some of them are there because some of them have also done this before.
Yeah.
So they know it and they are already without a filter.
Ji.
Whereas some people are like new at this, and so there are filters in place, so they're still trying to navigate the waters. So it's great to see those energies collide.
Okay. The show also has a format wherein new people will be entering as well, right? जब ऐसा हो रहा होगा, कुणाल भी क्या उतने ही excited है जितने हम होने वाले one, and क्या कुणाल को पता है कि कौन जाने वाला है show?
मुझे नहीं पता अगले हफ्ते कौन आएगा, मुझे नहीं पता. मुझे बहुत सारी चीजें नहीं पता है.
इन्होंने बड़ा परेशान करके रखा है आपको भी. Are you feeling like
बड़ा अच्छा भी है. तो क्या करूँगा जान के, ऐसे तो कुछ नहीं कुछ बदल सकता हूँ. तो मैं भी ऐसे ही घूमते घामते पहुँच जाता हूँ अंदर. अच्छा क्या कर रहे हैं आज, एक्शन, ओह लेट्स गो.
ओके ठीक है. Salman Khan, Kangana Ranaut, Karan Johar, Farah Khan, Ritesh Deshmukh. Who, according to you, is a better host? You don't have to take your name.
No, I honestly, I've not seen all of them hosting, but they've all been good because I know they've all had successful runs at this. I've seen Bhai a lot more because he's been doing, I think, 15, 16 seasons.
Yeah.
So there were times where I would just tune in sometimes just for him, and sometimes I've not watched a season, so I don't know. I know Ritesh is very good. I know Farah is very good. Kangana also, I think, she did Lock Up.
Lock Up only, yeah.
So I've seen glimpses of जो कभी-कभी ऐसे cuts आते हैं ना. So because I never got into the show. So I think they've all done a good job. And again, they're slightly different in their takes. But a lot of times you can also see that sometimes the show demands you to put on a certain character, even if so briefly.
Correct.
So I know that while they're hosting a reality show, it's not necessarily that you're seeing the real side of them. Because that's what I've realized, that only a bit of reality is playing for me.
Yeah.
Because I have to also brief you the format of the game, I have to take you through the game, I have to bring some kind of decorum and discipline, so I can't get carried away beyond a point. And also sometimes I'm just unaware. And I'm trying to understand what's happened.
True. You know, when you're hosting a reality show like Alliance, which is so, like, it's already made a buzz for itself, right? And जहाँ पे इतना ज़्यादा competition भी है. As an anchor, as a host, as probably even an actor, and we know and we hope कि इसके और seasons भी आए. Do you wish that deep down ये इतना ज़्यादा successful करे कि मेरे को वापस season 2 भी मिले, और you're just like भाई hosting होगी?
मैं ये तो personally कैसा रहेगा वो तो मुझे show के बाद ही पता चलेगा. Because honestly, like from day one, I can't tell you that I loved it, I felt like this was made for me. I did feel like a fish out of water. I did feel like there is a lot to learn in this, which I have not done before. And I'll have to see how quickly I can adapt to it and how good am I at it. Because at the end of the day, if the audiences feel that they're not understanding what I'm doing, and if they just don't like me as a personality to do this, then that's a feedback that I'll need to take into consideration. Other than that, I'm not putting any kind of stresses on doing this. I'm just going and having fun and trying to have as much fun as I can, because at the end of the day, I'm also doing a job.
Yeah.
I have to breathe certain links. I have to give certain, disclaimers. I have to host the game a certain way. So all of those things. So like I said, it's not complete reality. It's not like Kunal Khemu is just doing exactly what he does.
Yeah.
No. I would probably, sometimes I have to let some people fight without giving my view, because it's not about my point of view. If they look at me, then maybe yes. Or maybe sometimes stop a fight that I may have said, let them fight it out.
Right. You know, as a host, there's a lot of pressure on you as well, क्योंकि सब लोग अभी आपको idolize करने लग जाएंगे अगर कुछ भी शो में हो रहा है तो. हाँ, बहुत होता है ऐसे. Fair, unfair, कुणाल क्या बोल रहा है? Ready हो इस चीज़ के लिए?
नहीं.
बट ठीक है, मुझे एक चीज़ आपको ज़रूर कहनी है कि प्रोमो बहुत रिफ्रेशिंग लगा. जहाँ हमें लग रहा था कि ये एकदम स्टीरियोटाइप हो सकता है, वैसे ही पहले वाले शोज जो है, then we see you burst open into your fun self. तो वो बहुत अच्छा लगा देख के. I just wanted to say that on camera to you as well. On a lighter note, do you watch football?
You know what? I'm not very big on football. I'm a cricket boy, but unfortunately, this time I used to follow all the World Cups. This time I haven't been able to, due to work and also because of the timings. वहाँ हो रहा है तो timings are all off. So this year I haven't been able to follow it so much, but I know the basics of it.
हाँ, कल ही रोनाल्डो ने 2 गोल मारे हैं ना.
Correct.
तो और अब फुटबॉल सीजन के बीच में हम रियलिटी शो लेके आ रहे हैं तो ऑडियंस से सब टैर हो रही है, इसलिए मैंने पूछा।
बट टाइमिंग तो बहुत ऑफ है ना।
हाँ टाइमिंग तो
रात
ऑफ
की
है,
है।
लेकिन अब जब OTT पे आता है तो हम सब रात को ही देखते हैं शो। वो भी है, दैट्स आल्सो ट्रू। ओके लास्टली बिफोर आई लेट यू गो, यू नो आई हैव टू से दिस, मैं आपके एक गाने की बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ, वो है तेनू लेके जावा। जब वो आया था तब से लेके आज तक मैं उस गाने की बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ, और मेरे साथ साथ आई एम श्योर बहुत सारे लोग बहुत बड़े फैन हैं। इनफैक्ट ऑल माय कजिन्स हु आर जेन ज़ीज़ आल्सो लव इट। मतलब मेरे भाई की शादी में ये गाना एटलीस्ट 4 बार बजा है।
It's aged well. I do believe that song is aged well.
So have you? So give me a quick memory from that song that you remember today.
The look, because it was never the part of it, and I gave this story before. We were shooting in Pattaya, and the day of the shoot, before the day of the shoot, मैं घूमते घामते एक मॉल में पहुंचा, वहाँ पे मैंने देखा कॉर्नरोज बन रहे थे, मेरे लंबे बाल थे, मैंने कभी किए नहीं थे, मैं कहा बनाओ, और अगले दिन सेट पे पहुंच गया. Everybody was shocked, saying, "What are you doing?" And they wanted me to take it out, and I said no. They said, "But ये फिल्म में लुक नहीं है." And my line was that I said ये गाना ड्रीम गाना है. फिल्म में मेरे पास हार्ली डेविडसन भी नहीं है, ना ये रेड कलर की इम्पाला है, तो सपने में मैं ऐसा दिखता हूँ. तो वो करके I somehow managed to get my way to do that look, but I'm very happy because I never did that look ever, and that look kind of I like it in the song. So
yeah, for sure. Okay, lastly before I let you go, popular opinion that people want to know: will you bring back Madgaon Express 2?
yes.
Yay! Oh my God! First of all, what a lovely film. Couldn't meet you then, but I have to tell you right now. But Alliance is here on Prime, and we're super excited to watch you and to see what happens in the show. मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा excitement है ये देखने के लिए आप कैसे host करेंगे. तो थोड़ा pressure मैं ही डाल देती हूँ यहाँ पे आके.
Thanks, loving it.
क्योंकि promo इतना मजेदार था. We loved the way you snapped out of something and gave us that refreshing content. I think comments में भी सबने यही कहा है.
Oh really? Okay.
Yeah. Okay. कुणाल अभी reality पे हो, आपको सब देखना शुरू करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ. Yay!
The pressure is real, but thank you so much, Kunal.
Okay,
Always a
thank you so
pleasure
much.
meeting you.
Cheers.
Thank you.